When managing service appointments, many teams encountered complications handling those that have already been paid. To make this easier than ever, you can now fully edit both paid and unpaid service appointments without needing to cancel and recreate the booking. Let's learn what has changed. You can now edit both paid and unpaid service bookings, with editing support for services, add-ons, coupons, and other booking details. Edits automatically recalculate the booking total to reflect the latest payment status and support refund processing in the appointment modal. Every service booking remains linked to its associated order, and if a refund has been initiated but is still being processed, editing will be temporarily disabled until the refund is completed. Let's learn how to edit an already paid-for service booking. Locate an existing service booking inside your calendar and click it to open its details. Click the pencil icon to edit the appointment. Make any required changes. Save your changes. Whether your customer wants to add another service, change the assigned staff member, update add-ons, or apply a coupon after booking, you can make those changes seamlessly while keeping the booking, order, and payment information in sync. We hope you enjoy it.